You are my love, my king. We're one in this. Forever we're ace. Together I won't betray you. No, 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 no. Always stay faithful and true. I'ma be a keeper at home, keeping my mind on the lows, thinking of ways to please you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I will appreciate if you can hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload new video. If you are returning, welcome. It's always great to have you here. Good morning, family. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Let's get started with this morning routine. It is 6 a.m. and we are getting the girls ready for school. So today I'm gonna be making their school lunch, and I am starting off by just washing the rice. So I'm making them the lunch from scratch. So I'm gonna just do everything. Probably I will show you everything that I'm doing for today or for this video, and it's gonna be more a very nice calm morning. It's very nice outside, very warm, and yeah, so it is their last week of school, so that is why I said, you know what, I'm gonna be doing some of these morning routine or day in the life because we are on the last week of school. So just to share with you what we are doing as it is the last week of school. So I'm gonna start off by just washing this rice here, and the rice I'm washing is to make for their school lunch box. They did request this yesterday, so I said okay, right, if I have time I will. So I did wake up very early today and I said okay, I will make what my kids wanted for their school lunch box. So I'm just kind of like just wiping around before I can start the cooking. So it's just rice, what I usually do, because it's very early and this rice is not eaten by us, it's just only for the kids. Of course, the one that will be left over, I'll then take it maybe and use it to make something else. But this one is just a rice with some little spices. They don't like too much spices, so I just put very little, and that will be the rice that they are gonna have, and then you are gonna see what they'll be having the rice with. So I'm just gonna let the video continue and you can continue to watch. And again, of course, I appreciate each and every one of you, family, and I will see you on my next video. Hopefully you enjoy the morning routine, 6 a.m. morning routine, and it's the last week of school and we are getting into summer. I'm not too sure if we're gonna have a holiday vlog, I'm not too sure, but anyway, we will see. And while I am waiting for the rice to cook, and I do have time to make myself some coffee, so let's go ahead with the video and I will see you on the other side. now that I am done packing my kids' lunchbox for snack, they are gonna be having these Walkers, and one is having the cheese and onion flavor and one is having salt and vinegar. And these lunchboxes, I got them from Temu.com. I will put the link on the description below, so if you want to check them out, feel free to do so by just pressing the link on the description below. Now that the lunchbox is done, I just take the bag, which it is the lunch bag, and put the lunchbox inside, which we are ready to go. All what I need to do is to put water into their bottles and we are good to go. Since the weather has decided to be very good to us in Ireland for the past few days, so I decided to use this opportunity to watch my children's raincoat. These are the jackets that they use almost every day to go to school, and also their track suits since they were not using them today. So I decided to do the washing of these jackets for school, for the track suits and also the raincoats. Now what I love and why they use these jackets almost every day, which they are not part of the school uniform, but of course they are also allowed in school. So these jackets, they are nice and warm on the inside, and which that protect them from the cold, and on the outside it also protects them from the rain. Absolutely amazing, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and do the washing and I'll see you on the other side. As it's so important for us to make sure that we teach the children to be able to clean their bedroom themselves, make their bed and do everything, but at the same time there are times when they will not have time rushing to school, or they will just not be able to have the chance to do so. So anytime they have no chance to do that, as the parents, we take that responsibility on making sure that we do clean their room, so that when they come back from school, they will find their room nice and clean, smelling amazing. That gives them the idea for them to understand that that is what I expect from them. So anytime they have the chance, they will clean the room just like the way the mommy does it. So I'm gonna go ahead and tidy their bedroom so that they will find it nice and clean when they come back from school. So let's go ahead and tidy up the girls' bedroom. family, we have come to the end of the video. I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I do appreciate each and every one of you. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please go ahead, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that YouTube will let you know every time I upload new video. For now, I say shalom.